Okay, let's say you don't have a press handy at your shop, but you got the tool. You got the tool to do the low reverse input clutch spring. You can not modify the tool anyway, you can put some tie wire over your reverse input clutch spring housing and compress your spring. And get your snap ring in there. There it is. There's a good shot of the snap ring. And yeah, saves you a trip to town. The tool was 28 bucks. We used it before. Dip your friction plates in tranny fluid.
Veteran head coach John joins us now. John, first of all, congratulations on a week 1 win against Butler.
Thank you, and it was a good win, Jack. It was a win which we haven't had a lot of, where we can get a bunch of guys in and slow down the game for some of those young guys. Who knows if they'll be able to play down the road? Who knows how many might be number ones because of injuries, but it was a fun win, a fun home win.
I think for your fans, there's an added excitement this year, wouldn't you agree, Coach? I know all of us pollsters.
So we're getting pretty close now
involved in South Dakota State.
to having the transmission assembled.
You guys have earned that. You know, in the playoffs a season ago, the kids continue to play hard for you. Tell us a little something about this year's version of the Jackrabbits, John.
Well, we are reaping the benefits of last year's team with the rankings, and we did that in a different way. Honestly, we challenged our guys to defend that ranking, and not make it something that in the past has haunted us, really.
So,
We've got a veteran team.
driving the Oldsmobile.
We've got a veteran quarterback. Austin Sumner, a good player. We got the leading rusher in FCS football. Dead center. We got 4 senior offensive liners. We got kind of a no-name wide receiver core that just blue-collar guys. And then we've got a defense that I think Jack is going to get better every game because they're just learning to play together. Some of them are older, but they haven't played a lot of football. So I'm excited to see how we play tonight.
Yeah, that's the frightening thing, the upside of your defense, John. Back to Zach Zenner, you and I have talked before. This young man is not only a tremendous
wow.
player,
Anyway, that's what's going on today. Hopefully we'll fire up that Dodge and take a look at that again soon. I'll talk to you later. Bye.